Let's take another look at the question whether AI is going to take over content creation, 3D art, 3D design, games design, and so on. It's something I've talked about a lot before, but this time I want to look at the history. So if we look back to the 2000s with the dot-com bubble, the bubble, of course, being the money behind it, and it's a similar case with AI at the moment. We've got a huge amount of investment in AI, but then there was the crash, and people are talking a lot about the crash that is to come. And there might be lots of content creators out there, 3D artists and so on, that are kind of looking forward to that crash, hoping that it might in some way mean that their career isn't over. Well, if we look back at the dot-com bubble and crash, we did see a crash, but then it did pick up afterwards. And we are where we are today, where the internet is so important to everybody's life. And I imagine that will probably be the same for AI. However, people were suggesting that the internet would entirely take over our lives. We'd all be stuck at home. We wouldn't need to go out anymore. The shops would collapse completely. Would not have a high street where we would go shopping anymore. There'd be no point. We'd do it all online. We wouldn't even need to go out and meet people. Again, it would all happen in virtual worlds. That side of it has not materialized. So whilst the internet is really important, a really integral part of our lives today, it hasn't taken over as much as people were suggesting. I think there's a case to be argued that the AI boom might be similar in many ways. We'll probably see a crash and people will think that AI is over in some way. I don't think that's going to ever happen at all. It will slowly build up again. There'll be safer investments, not people just rushing out to invest in every single AI company. They'll think a bit more steadily and it will slowly increase and become more integral into our lives. But I don't think it's going to take over entirely. I think people will and are starting to appreciate human made content, and there will be a role for content creators, 3D artists, game designers, and it won't all be integrating AI. There will be the human element which people will search for. And again, looking back to history, the high street shops, have they been completely decimated and wiped out? There has certainly been an impact. If I look at my own country, the high street isn't what it used to be, but there is a change happening. There are smaller shops, independent shops, where you get that personal experience. There's still obviously things like cafes, and there's a culture of people enjoying the going out, meeting people, and just getting out of the house and going to look at an item before they buy it rather than searching for it on the internet. Even though you've got lots more choice, you can get your perfect size almost on the internet. It's a nice experience to actually go out and go into the shops. And yes, there are less shops, but there still are shops out there and people are still looking for that experience. So I think we can relate that to the experience of AI. I think people will want to see human content creators and they will search for it. Maybe there won't be the same demand as there used to be, but I think there will still be demand and it's still worth learning those skills, developing your skills, and enjoying what you do. I hope I'm not completely deluding myself, but I, for one, want to still stay creative. And I'm sure there's other people who feel the same way. And there's other people out there who appreciate that as well. Art and creativity has been part of the human experience for so long now. I don't think we're going to wipe it out with AI. And having a human creator as part of that, again, I don't think AI is going to take over. So stay creative, I would say.